Unlike a traditional fixed-rate mortgage that features the same interest rate for the life of the loan, an adjustable-rate mortgage offers a fixed rate only for a specified initial period. Once that initial period is over, typically 5, 7, or 10 years, the interest rate and the monthly payment vary based on the terms in the loan documents and market conditions. A mortgage professional can show you how this payment flexibility can benefit a home buyer in several ways. For example, adjustable-rate mortgages offer lower initial mortgage rates and corresponding monthly interest rates than do fixed-rate loans. This feature is particularly attractive to home buyers purchasing a starter home who need greater affordability. Adjustable-rate mortgages also allow home buyers to qualify for larger loan amounts than a fixed-rate mortgage. And if you're planning to move in a few years, an adjustable-rate mortgage can provide the flexibility to build equity instead of paying rent. To find out whether an adjustable-rate mortgage may be right for you, call us today.